So you're ready to start investing in the stock market in Canada, and you're tired of the big banks and their high fees and their sorry, that part was personal. But you have to face the big question: Wealthsimple or Questrade? Both are huge in Canada, both are safe, and both offer competitive advantages now. So let's break down the benefits of each one. Here's a quick intro of the both of them. First is Wealthsimple. This is beginner friendly, it's clean, it's a modern platform. It honestly feels more like a money app than it does an investment brokerage. Next, we have Questrade. This is Canada's OG brokerage. You don't know, say they've been here from time, eh? Let's just pretend I didn't do that, okay? They have more advanced tools and it's built for more control over your investing. Both are safe, both are trusted in Canada, and they give you easy access to the stock market. Let's talk fees, because this is where things have really changed. Both Wealthsimple and Questrade offer $0 commissions whenever you're trading stocks or ETFs on their platform. And on top of that, they allow you to purchase fractional shares. And so this basically means you can buy a piece of a share for just as little as $1. So let's say you want to purchase Apple, Amazon, whatever. Rather than saving up all the money for a single share, you can start building your portfolio with those shares for just as little as $1. But here's the catch, or the downside, right? Both platforms will charge you a foreign exchange fee whenever you're buying US stocks in your portfolio, and this comes to around 1.5 to 2%. But here's how we can fix that and save some money. First, Wealthsimple. With Wealthsimple, if you have over $100,000 in assets, they will take away the foreign exchange fee and allow you to trade US stocks without any fees in addition to it. Alternatively, you can also pay $10 a month, and this will allow you to have the US dollars in your account without worrying about those foreign exchange fees. Second, we have Questrade. So Questrade already comes with the option of being able to keep US dollars in your account. So if you want to transfer US dollars into the account and keep it in US, you're more than free to do that. And this will mean whenever you purchase anything in US dollars, it stays in US dollars. If you put US dollars in, it stays in US dollars, and there's no additional cost to that. So if you're trading US stocks, this is a key point to be aware of, because this could save you tons of money in the long term. Now let's look at the investment accounts within both of them. First is Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple offers a wide range of accounts like TFSAs, FHSAs, RESPs, LIRAs, corporate accounts, margin accounts, and on top of that, they also have a lot of things that are beneficial for your everyday banking. So your bank accounts, your high interest savings, your checking, your credit cards, the lines of credits and things like that. On the flip side, we have Questrade, which doesn't have the banking aspect of it in it, but they do have a wider range of investment accounts. So all the accounts listed, plus a little bit more like trusts, sole proprietorships, and a little bit more if you need those. In addition to that, they do give you a little bit more of advanced control in your investing. So let's simplify, okay? Real talk. If you want something simple, clean, modern, and you like the idea of having your banking, saving, and investing all in one, Wealthsimple is the better choice. On the other side, if you like more focus on your investing, a nice discount brokerage with a little bit more advanced professional investing tools, and you plan on using US dollars directly in your account, Questrade could be the way to go for you. Personally, I'm a Questrader. Did I just coin a term? I'm gonna have to patent that one. I'm a Questrader. I've been using them for many, many years. This was even before Wealthsimple was really an investing thing in Canada. So just to ease any concerns, just because I have gotten this question, which is, oh my God, what if something happens to both platforms? I don't know if I can fully trust them. So well, both platforms are regulated in Canada, and your investment accounts are covered under the Canadian Investor Protection Fund, CIPF, which basically insures all your accounts by up to $1 million per account category. So TFSA, $1 million. You have an RRSP, $1 million, and so on and so forth. And on top of that, Wealthsimple's cash accounts are CDIC insured up to $100,000. So regardless of which platform you pick, your money is protected. So long story short, both are excellent for any Canadian looking to invest in the stock market. Wealthsimple is fantastic for the simplicity and banking features. Questrade is fantastic for its flexibility with currency and investing controls in an advanced manner. All right? So what's best for you depends on your investing style and your preferences for convenience and whatnot. And if you have enjoyed this video, I hope it was beneficial. And if it was, hit that like button, smash that subscribe if you ain't subscribed yet, and stay tuned for more Canadian investing tips. Cheers.